How to fix ChatGPT Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix ChatGPT's login problem, that is the Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is really simple. Head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should find general. Tap on general and head over to your iPhone storage. It's right here. Tap on it, and after you're here, scroll down. There, search for ChatGPT and open it up. Now simply offload the app completely and reinstall it after it gets offloaded. After you do that, you can then head back and simply head over to your Play Store. Open up your Play Store and search for ChatGPT. After you search for ChatGPT, check if there is an update available. If there is an update button like this, tap on update and update the app. After you update the app and your internet connection is good, you will be able to log back into ChatGPT just like that. And that's how simple it is, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.